Here is a simple data model that I will use throughout this course in order to basically demonstrate some PL/SQL code. It's a very simple model with a central table called show and acts that act at the show, categories of shows, the venues where the shows are held, the tickets that are sold for each show, the price of the tickets, and any supporting acts. I don't really want to go into the detail of what all these different relationships are, but the most basic one is that, for instance, act has many shows, in that a single act will do many shows at one particular venue. So you have act being one, a little straight line, to many shows, and then venue being one to many shows as well, where a show has many tickets and a category has many shows as well, in that a show has a single category spread across multiple shows. The supporting act is what's known as an associative entity, where it associates a specific act with a specific show that supports another act. So you will see this data model used throughout this course, and you can refer back to this movie in order to verify the relationships between the tables and the data. Moving on from the initial data model, there are some minor extensions. First of all, I added a name field to the show table, the name of the show. So originally I've got category, act, venue, and show date. The only thing that's unique to this table is the date of the show. I added a name and a price multiplier. Price multiplier is related to how we price the tickets. As you can see, I've also added a seating map table, and I've changed the ticket table, where the relationships between the ticket and the seating map, the venue and the show tables all interlink by associative entities and the appropriate links between the different things. The ticket table is now associative between show and seating map. In other words, it resolves a relationship between show and seating map that is actually a many-to-many relationship. Technically, the relationship between venue and show is also resolved as a many-to-many join by the seating map table as well. It's resolved by these two tables. This gives me a little bit more flexibility. I've also changed the name of the supporting act ID column here from act ID to supporting act ID.